everyone and welcome back to E-Prism show. My name is Abdul Rashid. I'm brand manager at Prismware Technologies. This channel is all about e-commerce and making you understand how e-commerce business works. We are going to give you different tutorials, making you understand different strategies which will help you increase your sales and make your business more profitable. So stay tuned and keep watching the video because today I have a special video for you. So in this video of product research tutorial, I'm going to tell you about how to do product research manually and how to do product research using Helium 10 tool. In the previous video of product research, which you can access through the description, link in the description, because in that video I have explained you what are the main key features or main key aspects that we look into the product research. But today all that will be going to be done practically. So if you want to understand the product research and how you can do product research practically using Helium 10 and different tools in Helium 10, and not just Helium 10, but if you want to do it manually, you don't want to buy Helium 10, it is expensive for you, and you just want to get started with it and become a freelancer or even find a good product and sell it anywhere in any marketplace. So this video is for you. So stay tuned and keep watching this video. So in this video we'll be doing a product research using two different methods. One is a manual method in which we don't use any tool, we do product research manually, and the other method is using any tool. And in case of this video we'll be using Helium 10. So now let's just look onto the screen, and we can see that we have opened Amazon.com, and on Amazon.com we have selected actually you have to select the location here, so Amazon can correctly fetch the data of that location. So I have given a postcode of New York. It doesn't matter that if this postcode is related to New York or any other state, but it will in general fetch the data of US because New York belongs to US. Here we can see that there's a sidebar written all here. There we have different trending products, defined by the category, by departments, and all the other features. So the basics of manual research is to what you want to target. Do you want to target bestsellers? Do you want to target new release? Or do you want to target any product by the department? Let's suppose I want to target a product by department, and I want to select department here, that which department or which category I'm going to hunt a product for. We're gonna start with beauty and health. Okay, so let's just click on beauty and health. So there are sub departments here, so let's go for all the beauty. So now we have a beauty department open here. So we can see here that different products are listed here that are related to the beauty category, and apart from that we have all other like we can just filter the products what we want to do. Let's suppose we want to go for makeup, skincare, hair care, fragrance, tools and accessories. Let's just go for the tools and accessories. So when we go into tools, you can go into any category, subcategory. Just for the sake of understanding, I'm using beauty category and subcategories of the beauty category because I want to make you understand that how manual product research can be done on Amazon. So now we have different products showing up here. We have lightning deals going on which product lightning deals are going on, hot new releases, featured deals, and all the categories and all the headings are mentioned here. So let's suppose which price you want to target, which price category you want to target. You want to go with under $25 because defining price is very important in terms of product research. If you go with the higher price product, you will need to have more investment. So if you are a freelancer, you are doing product research for your own self, you need to make sure that what your investor or what you want, which price product you want. So in this case we will go with under 25. So there are different products which are in the beauty category, and in subcategory it is accessory of beauty category. So there are products which are priced below $25. So now I want to, for example, I just want to go into any product and I want to explore that product. Let's suppose I'm going to go with this body scrubber. I'm just going to click on the body scrubber. So why we are doing this? Actually, manual product hunting has no defined set rules. There are no guidelines. You have to just explore, because product hunting is a very difficult process, and it is a very important process and a very difficult process, starting your e-commerce business on Amazon, because there are a lot of products, especially US market is very saturated market, and we have to look into this different products, different categories to hunt right product for us. So as we can see, we have opened the silicone body scrubber, and this is the product that is being sold for $7. Now I want to see that if there is a room in this category, if there is a room in this subcategory of this product that I can sell on Amazon, that will be profitable for my business. So let's go down and look into, so we have bestseller rank. So what bestseller rank defines is actually that this specific product, the product which we just have opened, where it ranks in its category or in its subcategory. So there must be thousands of other products, but on which rank this product is being ranked. So the rank of this product in whole beauty category is 15,000, but in subcategory of bath and body brushes, it is on 80. Its rank is 80 in the bath and the body brushes. So now I want to explore, if this product is on 80, which product is on the top, and which product is bestseller in the bath and body brushes. So I will just click on this bath and body brushes. So here we have the number one product that is being sold in the best sellers bath and body brushes. So these are the top 100 best sellers that Amazon gives you on any product listing of that. Like for example, you open any product, you will go down and you will see which category it is being sold on, what is its rank. Then you will open the subcategory and you will get all the lists that are being sold in the subcategory. In this case, the bath and body brushes is the subcategory of the beauty category. So on number one, we have this product which is being sold by Avellana, and its rating is 26,757. So now if we go to the second product, which is number two bestseller, it has 18,000 product reviews. Then we have on the third, we have 6,000. On the fourth, we have 2,000. And the fifth, we have 1,000. Now you can see here is a pattern. So what's happening over here is this, that I opened the product and I opened its category. The category is bath and body brushes. So in bath and body brushes, the bestseller is having 26,000 reviews. So let me just make you understand this, that Amazon US market being a saturated market and being a very competitive market, there will always be good sellers out there. There will always be established sellers out there who are selling products from a very long time and they're very established. So 26,000 is a well-established product review. 26,000 reviews for any product shows that this product is very established. But if you go down, drastically it gets down from 26,000 to 18,000, then it goes to 6,000, then 2,000. So it means that not all the sellers in this category, only the best seller established, only the number two product is established, only number three gets down to 6,000, then 2,000, then as we go down, it comes to 1,000. So the point here is this, that it's okay if the bestseller is established, if bestseller is having good reviews, because in any category you won't find any product that have less than 10,000 reviews as a bestseller. So this product having 26,000 is good for me, in terms that if we start selling body brush, if we start selling anything that is related to this category, bath and body brushes, we will easily get ranked in the top 100, because there is a good room in this category. So you can, if you do extensive research, for example, this is one category. Let's just go to another category and see if there are other products that are being sold with the good rank. So this product actually has 803 ratings and it is being ranked 80, and this product is we have all the other details here, that what they are selling and how their content, what is their pricing, what variations they are selling. So you can get a lot of ideas from here, that how this product is being listed, and it is actually Amazon choice too. So being an Amazon choice with 803 ratings and being ranked on 80th number in the subcategory is a very good sign that any other product that we will if we for example source this product, and if you want to start selling this product on Amazon, and if you want to list it here, so we will have a good chance to get ranked in top 100 easily within 5 to 6 months. So now, as we have done product manual research, now we'll do product research using tool Helium 10. So you can see on the screen all the details will be the same. Like for example, we have the delivery to New York, the state we have selected for which country we are doing the product research. And yeah, the key term is very important now. So as we have seen in manual product research, we had found a product that was body scrubber. So now I'm gonna look into it, how the stats are for the body scrubber. So I have already searched, so these products are for the body scrubber. So what actually, why keyword is important? By keyword, Amazon algorithm determines that which product is more relevant to this keyword, and which products are being sold on this keyword, and what is the demand of this keyword. So actually keyword is a very important thing in product research. So now I'm just gonna run X-ray. When you get Helium, you can install this extension, and extension you can get the X-ray product research. So I'm gonna run X-ray on this specific keyword and see what are the stats that it shows me. So here we have, so the search volume. So first of all, we have to go categorically. So first of all, we have to look in for the search volume. So search volume for body scrubber is actually 39,680. What it determines? It determines that how many people are actually searching this keyword. How many people are searching this keyword per month? So 39,000. So it means the demand is 39,000. There are potential 39,000 buyers for this keyword, body scrubbers, the product that is related to the body scrubber keyword. So there are 39,000 potential. So search volume is very important. You can set your target. It can be 5,000, 10,000. It depends on your business needs and depends on your own set criteria. But 39,000 is a very good search volume. Minimum you can go up to 10,000. Below 10,000, I will not recommend search volume below 10,000. Above 10,000, it is a good search volume. And if you go as much as high you go, that is good search volume. So 39,000 here, the demand for the body scrubber is 39,000. Now the second thing we'll look into is the brand domination. But before brand domination, we have to sort this by revenue. So here we have revenue column, we have sale graph, we have how many sales any specific brand is making, and what is the listing of that brand and ASIN. So first of all, we have to sort this by revenue. We have to bring up top 10 most selling products, top 10 brands which are making most revenues. So when we sort this from up to down, we have the top. Okay, so here you can see we have SP means sponsored. So we have to remove this because we don't want to evaluate sponsored products. So we have to go to the filter results and we have to hide sponsored products from here. So apply the filter. All the sponsored products are gone. So now we have actually sorted all the brands that are making the highest revenue. So now we wanna go for the top 10. So what we have to do, we have to select all product from here. We have to select all. Okay, okay, we can just go with the brand domination. So in brand domination, you have to make sure that no brand repeats itself. So if, for example, there is Evelana, so we wanna see that in top 10 Evelana does not repeat. So if, for example, Evelana is repeating in top 10, it means that this brand is dominating the body scrubber. It is selling with multiple listings out there, and in this case it will be very hard for us to compete with these brands. So brand domination is very important. Similarly, if we can see Manscaped, so if Manscaped is not repeating, it means that it is a good thing, and if it repeats, it means it is dominated by Manscaped. So we cannot evidently see any product, any brand that is dominating this body scrubber, so we will just move with the second. So it means that there is no brand domination in body scrubber. For second thing, we're gonna see that we are going to see that what are the average revenue all these brands are making. So here we have 554k, we have 418k, 368k. So this is a very good revenue. So if the revenue is less, it means that we should not go for this kind of product, because we won't be making much revenue. But if these sellers are already making this much revenue, it means that we will have the potential to make revenue around 100k, 50k, or not less than at least 30k. But if we don't have this much revenue in the top 10, so it means that there won't be much potential for us to make this much revenue. Apart from this, we will go again, now we will go for how many active sellers are there. So active sellers, so for this brand only there is 1 active seller, 2 active seller. So this actually doesn't really matter in terms of private label. So if you are doing wholesale, which we are not discussing in this video, then this thing matters. So we'll just skip the active sellers. Now we'll go for the review count. So what review count determines actually that how many reviews this specific product or brand has got. So if 26,000, as we have searched with the manual search product search technique, 26,000 is a lot of review count, but still it is not that much, because other products in top 10 are having less than 10,000 reviews. Some are having 424. So it means that it has good potential. So this is actually no set criteria for defining what you want. You always have to define for yourself that what is the criteria, what is the search volume criteria, what is the review count criteria for you. So I'm just going to tell you that how you actually determine, how you use Helium 10 to define the review count, to search volume, and all the other things. If we go for the size tier, so we can see that this product is small standard size, large standard size. So its dimension and its weight. So why dimension and weight is important? Actually, dimension and weight helps you define the FBA fees, how much fee Amazon is going to cost you, how many fees. Okay, here we can see the fee, $6.18. So this seller is actually paying $6.18 per unit to Amazon for its fulfillment. And yeah, one of the most important things that we have to check, that who is fulfilling this product. So if it is FBA, it means it is a seller who is taking services from Amazon. It is not a very big brand that is doing by himself. So if you see NCF here or AMZ here, you won't have to do this product. If you see that in top 10, we can see AMZ down there somewhere on 33rd number, but it doesn't matter because Amazon is not dominant in this. So you can compete with FBAs, but you cannot compete. You will not want to compete with AMZ. So these are some basic stats that you have to check for the product research. First of all, you have to search for the search volume, then you have to search for the brand domination, then you have to look into the sales they are making per month, then you have to see the revenue, how much revenue they are making, then you have to see what fees they are paying and how many ratings they have got already, what is the review count for them, and what is the size and dimension for this product. So this X-ray great tool of Helium 10 actually helps you find the stats for the product that you want to search. So I hope this video has helped you to understand how manual product research and product research with tools can be done. And we will be keep making videos about different skills and different tools that can be used to set up your own business on Amazon, on any e-commerce platform that can help you strategize your business and that can help you understand e-commerce in a better way. So please do subscribe this channel and share this video, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.